Best deals.
1. Foldable clothing storage. Keep your essentials neatly sorted. These storage cubes are perfect for organizing shirts, pants, underwear, bras, socks, ties, scarves, and even baby clothes. No more messy drawer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Storage boxes. Supported by a sturdy internal metal frame that adds rigidity, allowing you to stack boxes of the same size without collapsing. Breathable, moth-resistant, and moisture-resistant fabric keeps your garments hygienic and protected from environmental damage. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Shirt cover. Crafted with high-quality non-woven fabric for long-lasting protection against dust, wrinkles, and moisture. Maximize your closet space with these slim, yet spacious shirt covers, perfect for a tidy wardrobe. Ideal for dress shirts, blouses, and t-shirts, ensuring each garment stays in impeccable condition. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Undergarments organizer. Useful to organize bras, panties, vests, underwear, and other small garments. Keeps your inner wears clean. Simply unzip the underside and fold flat to stow. And open the zip when ready for use. Easy to store at home. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Foldable organizer. High quality Oxford fabric material with 2 handles, easy to carry and transparent view for clear visibility of the items inside. Collapsible clothes organizer box. Sturdy firm steel frame gives maximum space for clothes and collapsed flat when no needed. Also very useful to store items which are not so frequently used in home. Perfect foldable wardrobe organizer storage box for saris, clothes, garments, kids dress, quilt, shirts, blanket, toys. Multiple usage double zipped bag can be used as under bed storage organizer, garments organizer, wardrobe organizer, closet, cabinet, shelf organizer. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Kids fabric toys organizer. Tired of picking toys from every corner of your house? Get this cool storage box and train your child to store the toys neatly all by themselves. The cute small and big Tom and Jerry storage box prints on the front marks the uniqueness in the design of the toy box. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cloth organizer. Crafted with premium quality fabric, this organizer storage box is not only lightweight but also durable enough to hold a variety of clothing items. It features a transparent front window that allows you to quickly identify the contents without unzipping or opening the box. Perfect for storing baby clothes, saris, winter wear, or accessories. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Blanket storage bag. Made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture, and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture. Is perfect for those not so frequently used items in your household. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Shoe organizer. Easy to open from any side for convenient access. Segmented storage allows neat arrangement of shoes, clothes, toys, or blankets. Waterproof PVC mesh fabric keeps contents protected from moisture, dust, and pests. Bold steel frame support retains shape even when empty, ensures long-term durability. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cubes for travel. Made of thick fabric and thick ropes to carry clothes, shoes and other items to beach, gym or just about anywhere. We also provide a large translucent pouch to keep your toiletry and makeup in one place. The size of our packing cubes, laundry bag and pouch are all bigger than most other brands, allowing you to keep more things well organized. You can use our cubes for organizing clothes, shoes, laundry, makeup, cosmetics, toiletry, wardrobes and others. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plastic clothes storage bag. This transparent PVC storage bag is made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture, and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Clothing drawer. This drawer organizer for home ensures that you can organize your small clothing items that are easy to get misplaced, like socks, neckties, scarves, and underwear in an extremely efficient manner. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Foldable storage box. Secure lid closure for dust and moisture protection. Built-in lid keeps stored items safe from dust, dirt, and moisture, ensuring they stay fresh and well preserved over time. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Drawer organizers. Keep your undergarments in perfect condition. Soft yet durable material prevents snagging. Maximize drawer and closet space with this compact organizer. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Storage bag. This high-quality storage bag is made of high-quality canvas cloth and it is made to come. Bag has zippers for maximum convenience. 2 handles for easy carry. Two-way zipper opens the storage bag wide for uncomplicated placement and removal. Foldable when not in use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Wardrobe organizer. With the 2 handles on both sides, easy to move and take away, with foldable design, can be easily folded for space-saving storage when not in use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Wardrobe organizer. Each linen closet organizers and storage box features a CLE window, allowing you to see the contents at a glance, making it super convenient to find what you need in no time. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Sari bags. These sari covers comes with zip closure with metal runner. As you can see in photos, sari bag contain high quality chain, material is soft and it cares of your precious saris. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Storage bag. Material with pleasing looks, bag makes an elegant storage solution for your wardrobe needs. Two-way zippered closure opens and closes the bag easily. 2 handles for easy carry. Foldable when not in use. The bag can be folded back when not in use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Under bed storage. The organizer's cover helps shield your shoes from dust, moisture, and potential damage, keeping them in pristine condition. Free up valuable closet space by utilizing the often overlooked area under your bed for efficient shoe storage. Designed with adjustable compartments to fit everything from sneakers to high heels, ensuring a perfect fit for all your shoes, Under bed shoe storage organizer is the perfect solution to efficiently utilize the space beneath your bed, keeping your shoes neatly organized and easily accessible. The organizer's cover helps shield your shoes from dust, moisture, and potential damage, keeping them in pristine condition. Free up valuable closet space by utilizing the often overlooked area under your bed for efficient shoe storage. The included cover offers protection against dust, moisture, and potential scuffs, helping to preserve the longevity of your valuable shoe collection. This organizer is also ideal for storing accessories, clothing, or seasonal items, providing versatile storage options for your bedroom or closet. Product link is given in the 20th link.